Please welcome Usman Ali.
First of all, I would love to say welcome to our teachers, parents, and especially our honorable chief guest. My topic is education of modern age. Today, we are here to celebrate our annual day function, as well as our achievements which we gained in last year. Dear listeners, we all want to see our children's names on position board, and everyone want to see his child getting award. No doubt, it is demand of this age. But dear parents, with all of it, I think we are missing some important values which should be on the first priority. I think in the race of mark, we forget that either our children are learning how to treat with parents, either our children are learning how to treat with elders, either they know how to treat with neighbors, either they know how to deal with relatives and how to serve humanity. No, dear parents, no. It is true that we want marks, marks and just marks. We never ask from our child, have you served any human today? Have you helped your Muslim brother today? Dear listeners, it is very important to think about it. If we don't care of it, new generation will forget exact theme of education. So I am going to share some important words on getting education. In an institute where your child get position, where your child can be a sense of brotherhood, where your child can be a moral example for a society, in an institute where your child make their ways for excellence. Yes, dear parents, I am talking about Ghazali Education Trust. Ghazali Education Trust is right place for your children where your fulfilled dreams and bright your children's future. At the end, I would like to say thanks Dr. Yasat Ali and all staff members for providing such an excellent platform for us. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.